From a rich heritage rooted in industrial expertise, Luna Technologies has continually evolved, driven by a commitment to innovation and serving the evolving needs of its customers across India.
Dedicated Experience Center serves as a hub for collaboration and tailored solution development, showcasing a range of applications powered by advanced robotics. It's here that clients witness firsthand how Luna's technology, managed by a team focused on precise execution, can transform their operations. This vision for the future includes expanding the Yasaka robotics line with upcoming innovations like high-speed flexible SCARA robots, ideal for precision assembly and packaging, robust Cartesian gantry systems tailored for injection molding, and deeper AI integration for machine learning optimization, predictive maintenance, and seamless IoT connectivity within smart factories.
This commitment to continuous improvement and advanced technology extends to Luna's state-of-the-art manufacturing capabilities.
Manufacturing in Pune empowers Luna to deliver robust, reliable, and locally engineered Yasaka robotic solutions. For example, the YS1015 offers high-precision welding and handling with a hollow shaft design for reduced cable interference and a 1.5-meter reach ideal for compact workspaces, all driven by intuitive, user-friendly software. The extended reach YS1020 with its 2-meter reach brings the same precision and reliability with larger operations range for welding, handling, and other applications. And for demanding tasks, the heavy-duty YS2018 boasts a 20-kilogram payload capacity and robust construction for material handling, assembly, and packaging, etc. These made-in-India robots exemplify cutting-edge technology designed for efficiency and cost-effectiveness. This commitment to core values combined with Indian manufacturing forms the Yasaka Robotics' local advantage. Faster delivery, quick service response from regional technical teams, and readily available, affordable spare parts. Choosing Yasaka means reliable, durable robot built for 24/7 operation, supported by a partner dedicated to future-ready innovation.
Luna Technologies, a legacy of integrity, a future of innovation. Partner with us to engineer the next generation of automation for your success. Visit luna.co.in for more details.